Okay, what's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I have different equations and I want to solve them using complete index squares. This is part 4 of this series. If you haven't watched the first 3 parts, I highly recommend you to go back and start from part 1. Okay, in this example I have 9x squared minus 6x minus 2 equals to 0. So the first thing I need to do, I need to factor 9 for the first 2 terms. It's going to be x squared plus minus 6 over 9x minus 2 equals to 0. Then you have x squared minus, you reduce this, 2 over 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Then you have x squared minus 2 over 3x. 2 over 3 divided by 2 is going to be 1 over 3. 1 over 3 to the power of 2 is going to be 1 over 9. It's going to be plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 9 minus 2 equals to 0. So I have 9x squared minus 2 over 3x plus 1 over 9, and you move this one out, is going to be minus 9 over 9 minus 2 equals to 0. So we have 9x minus 1 over 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 2 is going to be minus 3. Therefore it's going to be, you divide everything by 3, so we have 3x minus 1 over 3 to the power of 2 equals to 1. So x minus 1 over 3 to the power of 2 becomes 1 over 3. So x minus 1 is going to be plus minus square root of 1 over 3. So the answer, x will be 1 over 3 plus minus square root of 1 over 3. Next example. That's going to be ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. I factor a here for the first 2 terms. It's going to be x squared plus b divided by ax plus c equals to 0. And here I have b over a divided by 2 is going to be 2a. Then I need to square this. So it's going to be a x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared minus b squared over 4a squared plus c equals to 0. Then you will have a x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared minus b squared a over 4a squared plus c equals to 0. Then we have a x plus b over 2a squared, and then plus c minus b squared over 4a equals to 0. Then I have a x plus squared equals to b squared over 4a minus c, or if I common factor it, common denominator, it's going to be 4a b squared minus 4ac. Then what I can do, I divide both sides by a, which is going to be b squared minus 4ac divided by 4. So x plus b over 2a will be plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by square root of 4, which is 2. So x will be negative b over 2a plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2. The mistake here, when you divide it by a here, that's gonna be for a squared. That's why when you find the square root, it's gonna be 2a. So that's why you have 2a here. That's correct. And then finally you can write minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found it useful, please like this video. You can also subscribe to this channel to have access to lots of other videos regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.